I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your monthly data overview to spot the heaviest consumers. That tells you where to focus. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and immediately set your carrier data cap so you get alerts before overage. Make sure to update the phone OS and apps because newer versions often fix background syncing that silently burns data. Don't wait. Act on the top 3 apps first, disabling mobile data for any app that doesn't need it. Now you tackle the complex middle steps. Enable Data Saver to broadly limit background processes and force lower streaming quality. Then go app by app and restrict background data for anything non-essential. This stops apps from syncing or refreshing in the background and explains why data drops. Make sure to disable autoplay videos and auto-download of media in social and cloud apps because these silently consume large amounts. Once configured, test by using the phone for an hour and recheck the usage numbers. Finish by automating what you can. Schedule backups and app updates for Wi-Fi only and set large downloads to wait until you're on wireless. You should add a quick toggle or widget to turn mobile data off when you don't need it, and check daily usage so the pattern becomes clear. If you still see unexplained spikes, reset network settings and monitor again. And if that fails, contact your carrier. Sometimes an account or provisioning issue causes phantom usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.